Hey guys, it's your Jomega here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, let's do this other makeup in the other eye that would look like that. This makeup is very soft, good for birthday shoots, weddings, and etc. First up, let's use this very light pink shade. Lagay natin sa ating natural crease for our transition effect. Yan, lagay lang natin sa ating natural crease and sa ating outer corner din para magkaroon ng foxy effect. So, kalat-kalat lang natin siya. Light hand lang guys, para makontrol natin yung shade na ilalagay natin sa bandang cut crease ng ating mata. Natural crease, not cut crease, sorry. So, ayan. Light-handed. Flat brush lang po yung gamit ko guys, since wala po akong brush talaga na pang eyeshadow kasi nag-iipon pa lang. At saka nag-iipon pa din para sa ibang gamit na makeup, of course. So ayan, kapag satisfied ka na sa transition na ginawa mo, you may now apply the darker shade dyan sa inner corner. Lagay mo lang sa inner cut crease mo, like that. Okay, so build lang, huwag mainit, trust the process lang. Ayan, so build mo lang siya dyan hanggang mabuo mo yung shade na gusto mong gawin. So ayan, paunti-unti binibuild ka na yung darker shade. So ayan, gagawin ko lang siya hanggang matapos. And now, I am applying the, yung glitter na ginamit ko guys is may pagka-red tsaka may pagka-white. So, nagbablend talaga sila dyan sa eyeshadow na nilagay ko. And for now, yan, so nalagyan ko din sa medyo top. Okay, so ayan, lalagyan ko na siya ng white para magkaroon naman siya ng drama dyan. White lang po yan na glitters guys. At saka dyan sa may center ng teardrop. Ayan, so sa ibabaw din para mas mukhang lifted yung kilay natin at the same time is mas malinis yung nagawa or mas malinis yung kinalalabasan ng eyeshadow. So ayan, and now ginagamit ko na yung eyeliner. So, ayan. So that's it guys, this is the full makeup look and hopefully may natutunan kayo and nagustuhan nyo ang makeup look natin for today's video. If you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing in my YouTube channel. And again, thank you for watching. This is your Jakes Jomega and bye bye, see you in my next vlog.